Good morning, everybody. Our first card is Archangel Gabriel, and he says there is prosperity arising from wise planning. And the unicorn spirit wants us to use our energy of forgiveness. It's time to let go of anger and blame. We must turn our knowledge into wisdom, and we have come so far. We are more confident within ourselves at this time, and it comes from time with time and practice. We must bring our own ideas into life and don't doubt your self-worth. Be careful of greed, and there are fresh starts coming our way. There is shrewdness and resourcefulness in business, and some of us are getting new jobs and things like that coming our way. There has been improvements in so many people's lives. Stay grounded in faith and trust and love. Be thankful for what you have at this time. You are aligning with the stars, and things are looking brighter and better prospects. Trust the magic of the universe. It's working through you. Be the light for others. There's a lot of chaos still going on around the world. We must forgive and allow God. Don't take these things on. We have walked away from things that don't serve us anymore. There is nothing we can do about it. Walk away and find your truth and love and light. There is something coming your way which is unexpected, but you will be able to stay strong in your light. Stay positive and be excited about the future. Things are speeding up and things are coming your way fast. There is family harmony happening from your loved ones. They want you to know this. Your loved ones form a strong pillar of support. Embrace their love and put past issues behind you. I love you all. Have a lovely day.